What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Cesar, and today I'm opening up some Evolving Skies. I finally got my hands on some. Hopefully we do good. And for our next video, we'll do Brilliant Stars. Same pack, same amount. So let's see which one does better. We love this game. Let's get to it. Let's get through it. Oh, don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Like always, show us some support. This one feels light. Knew it. It's okay. Let's get through it. Moga, Tentacool, Punkaboo, Bagon, Love Disc, and the Nuzly Reverse. Here's the code card for you guys. And we're gonna go ahead and on the second pack. Ooh, let's see what we get. Okay. See what we get. Here's the code card for that, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I see something. Elemental Badge, the Switching Cups, Crustal, the Energy, Fletching, Tentacool, Pikachu, Seedot, Lillipup, Full Face Guard, and another one. We got Umbreon V. It's okay, it's okay. It's a hit. That's what we want. We want them hits. Let's go with our third pack. Let's see what the third pack does. It's a green code card. Here you guys go. See what we get. Skip through it. Naked, Bergmite, Roggenrola, Flabibi, the Swablu, and the Sunny Moon Badge. Alright. Let's go with our fourth pack. Okay, we got a white code card, so we're going basically back to back. 1, 2, 3, 4. White and green. Ooh, it's nothing. Dream Ball, Pyroar, Herdier, the Energy, Roggenrola, Psyduck, Swablu, Seedot, Woobat, CY. Oh, Marshadow, okay. He's still cool, I like him. 2 more packs. Hopefully we get something crazy. No. That means we only got 1 pack left. Psyduck, Rufflet, Drowsy, Flabibi, and a Skiploom. Alright. Come on, last pack magic. You better be worth it. Please be worth it. Oh, you got no. It's okay, guys. Here you go. Skip through it. Naked CY. Say why. What? Come on, bro. Go on now. You couldn't do me worse. Alright, guys. Well, this was the only good hits. See you next time. Peace.